welcome back to my channel today. It's been a while since I've done a video. I know, I'm terrible. I need to get my life together. I'm sorry. Okay, nobody leaves me alone. That's the problem. Every time I want to do a video, somebody's always pulling me to the side. Somebody's always calling me, or school comes in the way, or I'm working, or I'm just simply not home. Yeah. But anyway, I wanted to get more into doing these videos because this past holiday I got like so many fucking lashes, and I was like, hell yeah, I could finally do a video or a couple, I don't know. But yeah, today's video I decided to do this look. It is I called it a grunge look, I don't know, in my video, because at first when I started I didn't know what I wanted to do. I knew I wanted to do something, I didn't know what that song thing was, so yeah. But anyway, I hope you guys like this video. Keep watching, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye. And I'm going to start cleaning up underneath that brow. Or right in the inner corner. Like, I don't know if that makes sense. Like this. No sense. Like, really simple. Okay, there we go, sis. So look, now that the brows are both done, I'm gonna go ahead and start priming my eyes. I'm just gonna take that same e.l.f. concealer that I did use, and a little goes a long way with this concealer. So I'm just gonna do that, and then I'm gonna take a blending brush and just kind of okay. So now that we have the eyes prep, we are going in with our James Charles palette today. Looks so beautiful. I don't think I did a video yet with this palette. I mean, I've had it since the first day of launch, but I don't know why I did not do a video with it. It sucks because I see all these pretty colors, and guess where I still gravitate towards? Boom, 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 boom. Oh my god. I'm just colors. I mean, I'm trying to learn how to get more into them, but I don't know. Something about these warm tones just makes me... Okay, let's get started. So I'm gonna take this big ass orangey brown shade. Okay, so I don't know what happened. I guess like my card on my camera got full and it just stopped. Yeah, but like I was saying, I'm gonna take my M335 brush by Morphe, and I'm gonna take this nice orangey shade right there, and I'm gonna use that as my transition shade. I don't know what look I'm going for, but most likely this is gonna be a neutral look per usual, because yeah. Sorry. So then after that, I'm gonna take this reddish brown darker-ish shade thing. This doesn't have a number on it, but it's from a Morphe set that's discontinued, so I'm sorry. And I'm gonna pop that right boom in there. Look at that warmth, bitch. Look at it. I'm literally gonna go in like a pattern right now and go and then take the darkest one. Wait, is it? No, it's this one. And I want to take it on a BH Cosmetics brush and tap, tap, tap right into it, and then We might just look. What was the process? Alright, well, since we got some weird shit going on, I guess we're just gonna, like, I don't know what I'm doing. I might just take a copper shade. Probably mix these two together. This is like that red one. Let's see how it comes out once I forget. Pop this shade on. Kind of just like... Okay, we have a problem, Houston. Houston, we have a problem because... You know what's weird? On camera, it doesn't look as fucked up as it does in the mirror. So I don't know which one to believe. And now I'm mad. Oh, God. Maybe it's just me. We're gonna keep rolling with it. Alright, let's see what else we got. I'm gonna take this gold color right here on a flat brush. And I'm gonna use that to highlight the brow bone. Oh no. Oh my god, I don't really know how I feel about this. Like, I'm really low-key kind of mad right now that this came out like this. But in the mirror, it doesn't even look like that. It's blended seamlessly. Maybe it's the lighting in my room. I don't know. Now I'm sad. So don't start coming at me with some weird ass comments in the fucking description box, because that's not cute. I'm gonna do the same shit to the other eye. Let's see what happens when I go in. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about that. Because, you know what? It's supposed to be grungy and messy. Okay, not really messy. But messy looks like it's taking the case on this one. I don't fucking know. But we're going to go back in with the same brown shades on a pencil brush. This is the M431 from Morphe. I'm going to mix those two shades. And I'm going to go and apply this right underneath. Okay, so we should have something that looks like this. I don't know why this one looks like a lot higher than this one. Bring this one a little further up. Should really blend that. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck is going on, but let me see what kind of lashes I want to use for this today. I feel like lashes cover up the mistakes. I'll go in with this pair. This is from YALORDE lashes. I'll have the link listed down below. I got their lashes on Cyber Monday. They were literally like $2 a piece. Okay, so now that I've got the lashes on, this is a whole fucking process because I lost my damn tweezers and I was like, really? So irritated me. It took me longer than what I thought it would. I'm just a whole mess. Throw this whole video away. This is a whole mess. This is a whole mess. I'm gonna go ahead and put some mascara. I'm using the Falsies Push Up Angel Mascara from Maybelline. Alright. So now we should start looking a little like this. And then for the lips, I'm going to take my NYX lip liner as usual in brown and just go ahead, start shading in, and take the Dose of Color gloss in the shade Can You Not, which is literally what I say like every day, and just apply that all over. Something simple. I'm going to take a little bit more of the brown lip liner that I just used and kind of fix fix it. I'm kind of shading. Just kind of like blend those colors together. And maybe I might put eyeliner on. Nah, maybe I'll leave it like this. No, it looks fine like this. Okay, and last but not least, we're gonna finally set the face with the Mario Badescu spray again. That's cold. That's real cold. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look of this piece of my hair. Jesus Christ. Yeah, I don't know. I guess it ended up working out, whatever. It's just like a grunge, easy, warm. I don't know, it's cute. I like the way the lashes made it look, though. Oh, anyway. Thank you guys for watching. I know I started rambling off a lot in this video today, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, do that process. Do well. And I will see you in my next video, which might not be till like 2 months from now, but we'll see. I'm going to try to get better. So, peace out. And